The new Bauckhof mill, which went into operation in 2020, produces high-quality agricultural products from biodynamic farming and now also to be packaged in recyclable paper bags with a barrier coating. In close cooperation with Rovema, a block-bottom paper bag with an extra barrier function was developed. This can be easily disposed of in an environmentally friendly way via waste paper. The brick pack machine, SBS Twin, with a modular design, allows processing of paper and plastic in a wide range of formats and bag shapes. Nadia Richter from Marketing and Communication at Rovema is in conversation with Markus Stahl, who is responsible for the production planning at Bauckhof. You have selected a packaging machine from the company Rovema. How did you reach this decision? Rovema has provided us with packaging technology and machinery for many years now, so they were clearly the first point of contact when it comes to new packaging technology. Rovema has given us many years of comprehensive good service and quality machinery. With this project, specifically with our packaging innovation, they have advised and accompanied us during the initiation of this development. You already have quite a few machines in production. Why have you recently decided for an SBS Twin from our company?
Wir brauchen bei dieser Lösung eine Twin-Maschine, weil wir höhere Leistungen aus der vorgeschalteten Fabrikation wegpacken müssen.
Due to increased volume of product from upstream, we needed the solution to be a twin machine. We couldn't have managed with a single packaging system, as we needed to practically double the output. Currently, we need to be able to handle about 3,000 kilos per hour of product from upstream, and the twin machine can achieve this performance. Today we are packaging with paper. Is that a big hype for you? Is it important for you to be able to pack in paper, especially with this huge volume?
Ja, wir waren, als wir mit dieser Papierverpackung angefangen haben, auch sehr skeptisch hier im Unternehmen.
Yes, when we started with paper packaging, we here at the company, we were also very sceptical about how well it can technically perform. The market is vehemently demanding this now, and we as an organic and Demeter food manufacturer said that we must join the cause at any rate. So we were very happy to come together with Rovema, because they've already made some proposals with the new developments using paper film in this segment several years ago. Therefore, we got into contact with Rovema to test this paper packaging material in the testing centre and to prepare our machines accordingly. Being able to package with paper is all the more valuable as it can be fed into the waste paper system and not disposed into the packaging rubbish as previously done. Was this machine already configured to process paper when delivered? The machine was prepared for paper from the start, but we still process plastic film materials with this machine too, because there are still products that we have to pack into plastic film and some customers who want it explicitly that way. But the machine can do both, and it's also equipped for both. Which bag shapes do you produce on the machine today? We have 3 different formats for different gram weights, ranging from smaller bags, from 250 grams, up to 1 kilogram bags. We also produce classic gable top bags, block bottom bags, or classic plastic bags. This is an innovative feature of the machine, that we also produce paper block bottom bags, which are not very easy to process. I have seen that this machine packs flour, but also flakes. How often do you switch between the products? We change the packaging format size about once a week. We are still in the initiation phase regarding the number of product changes, because both the plant and the factory in front are still very new. I assume, though, that we will produce in a weekly rhythm. 1 week flakes, next week flour. The changeover of the machine is also good. We have implemented an auger filler for the product dosing of both flour and flakes. We were sceptical at first, as the auger filler is usually intended to only dose flour, but it worked wonderfully with flakes too. That's why we are not only quite flexible with the changeovers, but also fast. What does fast mean for you? Fast means that we do not need to change the dosing. Usually flakes are packed on a multi-head weigher. With our approach, we were able to minimize technology. A format or product change takes only 1 to 1.5 hours. That is very fast for us, and it is a great achievement. Many thanks for your time.